Hello and welcome to Tuesday. Today is very similar to yesterday. Think of it as a continuation. So your learning targets. I can analyze America's role in Middle Eastern conflicts, and I can explain how America supplies others to do its work. So you have a warm-up and then your Proxy War Day 2 link. If you didn't get the review yesterday, Proxy War is basically when you're not doing the fighting yourself, but you're having someone else do it for you. So by proxy means someone's kind of doing it for you. So your warm-up, why do you think many countries around Iran were so afraid/concerned after Iran's revolution? So, if you think about it, Iran's government was very controlling. Some of the governments in the area were as well. So if you see someone overthrow their government next door, what might that inspire? And then you have your Proxy War Day 2. So go ahead and open up that link. Things first, look over materials, images, videos, and texts carefully before answering. Make sure your answers are detailed and use evidence from the sources, so full sentences now. And then type your first and last name, no name, no grade. And the first thing you have is use some different articles to look through. So make sure you're reading the title, a little bit of blurbs here. Look through them carefully. Answer these questions and 1 to 2 complete full sentences. Make this pretty detailed. Go down, you have another source. Fill that out. And then you've seen this map before, so hopefully you remember how to read it. If not, always remember to look at your map key. And then you're done.